How to embed cal.com in WordPress. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to embed one of your meetings over here into one of your website in WordPress. So first things first, over here in WordPress, click on the plus button over here on the top right and add embed on the search bar. Drag and drop or click embed over here and you will be able to add an embed over here as you can see. So after that, click on the three dots, click on edit as HTML. Where is it? Edit visually. So over here, it wants you to enter URL over here. So you have an option to have a URL, but I want it as an HTML. So we're going to paste it over here. So over here in cal.com, you click on the three dots, click on embed, choose any of this option. For us, we're going to do inline embed. Copy this URL or this code, paste it over here, and after that it should have your option over here, but it's having issues right now. I think we're going to try it again. Edit visually or like edit as an HTML, go and just simply paste it and you should be able to have your cal.com appear on your WordPress. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.